Hey everybody!
Hey everybody!
Listen to this. Dance, Mimi.
Gangnam Style.
She just wanted that to be the intro. So, we have some
Surprise eggs!
yeah, surprise eggs. And, you can shake them.
Yeah.
Pretty good, pretty good. Pretty good. Okay, let's open some.
My is pretty funny.
Alright, let's open some.
It's my turn.
Yeah.
I'm going. Ooh, the special rock again.
Oh yeah, favorite rock. We got this at like a lake. Do you like it?
Yeah.
It's cool looking, isn't it? Alright, so let's just put that to the side. Alright, my turn. And I'm gonna pick.
I'm going to pick egg for you.
No. I want to pick an egg.
I want to pick egg.
I want to pick an egg though.
No, for you.
But for me, I want my own egg.
Okay.
Alright, here, you can give me that one. I don't know what's in here. What is this? What do you think it is?
I think it's a cow mousse.
Let's see. Oh, look at this. It's like a little basket. What is this? It's like a little basket.
It's a basket.
It's like a woven basket.
Yeah.
That's cool. Alright, so we have a woven basket. And what did we get? What did we get last time? A woven basket? Oh yeah, and the rock. Alright, so let's see.
I got the special rock.
Yeah, you got the special rock. Alright. Next one.
I'm going to get an orange one.
Alright, so let's see. Open it. Yeah. Good one.
Ooh, I got a fish magnet.
A fish magnet. Ooh. That was a lot. That one was surprisingly, a lot of money. Let's see. I want to open. Can I open this big one?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see.
Oh, this one is open. I got closed.
Okay. Let's see. Let's see what this is. Ooh, it's big. Ooh, I dropped it. Ooh, I'm dropping everything. All right. So let's see. We got a. This is like a. It's like a little squirter, like a water squirter, like in the sink in the bathtub and stuff. These are cool. I used to have a couple of these. Like a stingray and stuff. Yeah, it's cool. I think we have a couple like animals in here actually. Like not real animals. Like those little toy animals. Alright, so we have a woven basket and some of these things. Woven basket, fisheye magnet, and a special rock. So out of these things, the basket, because it's all the cool colors, and the
my turn.
Little thing were my favorite. Alright, Mia's turn.
I think there's nothing inside here.
Nothing.
Oh, maybe this.
What is that? Is that a moose?
I think so.
A moose. Let's see the moose. Alright, it's a moose. Yeah. It's coming after you. Alright.
Since you're dropping this stuff, maybe I can open your egg for you.
Yeah, alright. No. I'm open my egg. Here, let's see. What is this? I wonder what this is.
Yeah.
First one.
It is?
It's a slide. It's from, let me get that out. It's hard to open. It's a slide from, what is it slide from? Princess and the Frog.
Princess and the Frog.
Yeah, look, you can kind of see him through that, but you're going to have to, unless you, come see him in person, you can't really see it. Alright, so, they're just like little slides. Pretty good. Alright, it's Mia's turn. Mia.
Oh, I got the Chuck E. Cheese coin.
This isn't a Chuck E. Cheese coin, it's just a coin. It's a weird coin.
No. A Chuck E. Cheese coin.
Alright, I'll be right back after we're done with this argument.
My turn.
Alright, we're back and you just opened one. It's my turn. Oh, okay, so you're going to open another one. Alright, it's fine with me. There's nothing in it?
No.
What a surprise! Yay, my turn. Alright, so let's see. I'm going to open. I don't think there's anything. Oh, there is. Ooh, a little bow. I like this bow. Look, it's a little bow. Oh, there's the dog. Got it inside. Alright, so you want to wear the bow? Yes, let's see what it looks like on you. Let's see what it looks like on the Mimi. No. Yeah, stop resisting the bow. Okay, I'll wear it then. Ooh, a bow.
You're born.
I know. Alright, I'm just going to wear that. Alright.
My
So,
turn.
next is Mia's turn.
I think.
What the heck's happening?
Keep going.
Mommy blew out his
Okay, you guys, let's open this big one. Mia, you want to open this big one?
Uh-huh.
All right. Let's see this big one.
I think there's my... Oh, maybe
Oh, cool. Look, what is it? Show it to the camera.
it is a ducky.
Oh, you can't see. Okay. Ooh, it's a ducky. Get your hand off of its face. That's the best part. It's a ducky. Quack, 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 quack. Watch this. Look. Nom, 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 nom.
Yeah, look. This is much easier.
Next egg. Let's see. Let me get this next egg. All right, let's. Ooh, what is this? Is this a camel? Ooh, and we have a camel. It's a two-humped camel. Okay. All right. You want to open the next egg?
Uh-huh.
Okay. What is it?
A lion.
It's a lion. Why you always lying? Why you always lying? It's a lion. Cool, right? It's a cool looking lion. Yeah. All right, next egg. What is that? Is that a grizzly bear?
I see.
A mean grizzly bear. It's gonna eat your nose.
It stick his mouse inside my nose.
It ate your nose? That's crazy.
What are you doing here?
All right, Mimi, say bye.
Bye.
And check out DCTC.
This is going to be